Let's check the ingredients. Cabbage, onion, minced beef, fresh herbs. Also you can use the dried one, but I use the fresh one. Let me tell you about the herbs. This is the same. This is tarragon. This one is dill. This one savory, basil, and spring onion. I should grate them, and we need lemon juice and oil, rice, salt, turmeric, sugar, cinnamon, and tomato paste. Okay, let's begin. Okay, I washed the rice and you want to boil it on the fire. After 20 minutes, the rice is ready. See, it is boiling. I drained it. I put the rice in this bowl to mix all the things in this one. Now I'm going to fry the onion and minced beef. I chop the onion in a small size. And now I will chop the herbs. I don't have the automatic food processor, so I chop it by hand. It's enough. Let's check the onion. Add some turmeric. Now the herbs are ready and I add to the rice. I think the onion is ready too. I add the minced beef to it. And as well as it is frying, I add some turmeric, salt, After it becomes ready, I add it to the herbs and rice, and also I have to boil the water to put the cabbage leaves to make it soften. Use the water to boil. As well as the water is boiling, I separate the cabbage leaves like it to put in the water, the hot warm water. I try to separate them in a good shape. It's very, I think, okay. It's not good for that. The dip is ready, and I will put it, add to the herbs and rice. Wow. And then add some salt and turmeric again. Now mix all of them together and put it aside. Then after the cabbage leaves are ready, I will put them in the cabbages. It's like stuffed cabbage leaves. The smell is so good because the tarragon, the savory, the basil, all they have very good aroma. Okay. Okay, it's boiling. I put the leaves gently in the boiling water. I want the leaves become a little softened because I want to cover the stuff in it. It should be a little softened. because after 5 minutes I take it out of the water and drain them. Okay, I take them out of the water. I kept some of the fried onion here to make the sauce. Now it is ready. I should add some tomato paste. Turmeric. Salt. A little sugar and lemon juice. The taste of the lemon juice and the sugar make the sauce a little sweet and sour. Okay, now I add some water. And let it boil. Oh, I forgot to add the cinnamon. Add the cinnamon and keep some of them for putting between the leaves. Then it needs 10 minutes to be ready. Okay, it's time to wrap the dolma. First I put some oil in the pot. And then put some of the leaves at the bottom to prevent the leaves stick on the pot. Okay, and then look at here. Have them take a leaf. This is very small. Okay, I put some stuff in it, then wrap it. You know, I'm not very professional, but I hope it is in good taste. Show you another one. And then turn it and put it in the pot from this side. Okay, you can see all the cabbages are wrapped, and then I add the sauce on it. some cinnamon. And after 20 minutes it will be ready. And now we can see we have some rice and meat here for the inside of the dolma, so we can keep it later for making, for example, eggplant dolmeh or grape leaves dolmeh or other ones. Okay, we wait for 20 minutes. We check it. Yeah, it's ready. Turn it on. And the smell is so nice. Okay, and let's try it. Let's see. Oh, the smell is so good. Let's try it. The taste is very good, a little sweet and sour, and very delicious. Thanks for following me. Bye.